Today we're gonna bring a portable fan. It's summer's here. It gets hot where you're working. You don't have an air conditioner. This is a perfect fan to take with you on the road, out camping, pretty much anywhere. And here I brought it to a shop because we do need a fan. We're gonna hang this up in certain areas where we're working, our work area, and hopefully it's gonna help us out. So let's open it up and see what you get. All right, this fan comes in various colors, all right? They got a couple colors. Out of the box, you get a charging station, which is a USB to Type C, if you guys can see that. Type C to USB. We're gonna open it up and get it out. Now, once you get it out, does not require any batteries. They're all built in here. Lithium batteries are built in. All right, the remote control, I like the little slot. It's just hidden right here in the little corner, so you don't have to lose it. I always lose my controls. The perfect spot right here. You got your light, your LED light right now. We're gonna turn it on in a bit. On the buttons themselves, you got a night button, a motion button, the fan, and then the timer and the light here. So right now we're gonna turn it on right now. Right now we're at 75% on the actual fan battery, right? These are the speeds. We're on number 2, number 3, and number 4, all right? Now we're gonna go back to 1. Keep it at 1. Now this one right here, I'm gonna put it a little bit farther away so you guys can see it. It's on 1, level 1. Now this one right here, it's not a happy face. It's to move the fan left or right, all right? Right now we're at 90 degrees, all right? 90 degrees, we could change it now to 45 degrees in case you gotta move certain areas, all right? 45 to 90 degrees, all right? And then we're gonna stop it again. We stop it completely, all right? Now the great thing about it is you wanna turn it on, your LED light. Look how bright this is. This is really extremely bright. All right, when you click on the actual LED, this is the brightest. It gets lower, lower, and then it turns off completely, all right? Timer, you have your timer. You got 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8 hours, all right? If you want to spare some battery, you can do that. This is gonna last you all day on a full charge. Like I said, the best thing I like about it, you can also charge other objects into it. For example, if you take this camping and you ran out of battery from your phone, and now we have an iPhone that we're going to plug it in. iPhone goes in, and there it is, charging 40% right now. We're going to keep charging it. All right, so here we have the control. Turn it on. You could turn it on remotely. Speeds, change the speed the same as the button. So if you lose the controller, it's okay. You got the buttons there. You could turn it off too immediately. Now we're gonna go back to 1, and then we could swivel here too. If you guys can see rotate, where it says rotate, it starts rotating. We have 90 degrees. We could go back to 45 degrees if you want to. That's an option. And then lights, we could turn on the lights too remotely too. So this is a great thing to have as an option. All right, this is a secret here, guys. We're at 50% right now, but look at down here. You got this hook here. It's for hanging inside a tent or an RV or anywhere in your shop. If you're working by a shop and you're sweating that day, just take out the hook and hang it anywhere. All right, if you're in a shop or in a hot, close quarters, this is a perfect fan. If you guys notice, it's a small, little, powerful little fan that you could take anywhere. You could hang with your tools pretty much in your shop, like we have a shop, and there's no air conditioner in here, so this is gonna come in handy. So if you guys notice, it's really dark in here, but if I click on the actual light in here, here it is. I'm gonna point it towards you guys, but it is extremely dark in this room, just to see you how bright it is. So we're gonna turn it off again. Look how low it goes, and then completely darkness. Awesome light. It's very powerful in here, in a dark room. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.